Well, I was dared to eat this whole piece of cheese. So, here I go. Ew. Maybe eating that whole piece of cheese wasn't such a good idea. Uh-oh, I think I have to fart. Oh, and to the people watching, the next scene may contain gross sounds, which will be a lot of farting. If you don't like to hear farting, then click off the video. I don't want to gross you out. Well, here they come now. Whoa, that was a huge one. Uh-oh, I feel more farts coming. These farts are just at it today. Oh my. Phew, that was a lot of farting.